Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing you guys another video. Now today what we're going to be talking about, or actually what you guys are going to be watching, is a Palace sticker unboxing. As you guys can see, we have the sticker pack that I ordered from last week's Palace Life Cop. Now today I didn't go for a Palace Life Cop just because there wasn't anything I really wanted. The P-Rib hoodie was pretty nice, but it just wasn't something that I wanted. So I just didn't go for anything. I got to wake up a little bit later for school today instead of waking up fucking early. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and then show you guys the stickers. Alright guys, so these are all the stickers I got. I actually got this one separately, just in the package, the one I always get. But yeah, these are all the ones I got. So the first one we have here is Pronto Palace. I'm guessing Pronto means fast. I mean, I'm Mexican. You pronounce it Pronto, but like, I don't know if like Palace intended that or not. So yeah, we have this one really quickly, just showing you guys. It's green, as you guys can see, obviously pretty nice. I'm pretty sure they're making it into a shirt as well. I think I don't remember, but I think. Next we have this one right here, which kind of reminds me of Legend of Zelda. I can't remember the game last time when I made the lookbook. I don't know about you, it reminds me of Link. So I don't play much Legend of Zelda, but like I played it a little bit. So that's what it reminds me of. You can see it's holding the P logo right there, and then under it says Palace. So yeah, it's pretty nice. We got the black one once again, the Triferg Palace right there, nice. We got the white one. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says right there Palace. You guys should be able to see it right there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. We got the Sandsford. So if you guys watch the Life Cop, I actually copped the shirt. It should be coming in tomorrow, so I'll do a Life Cop on it tomorrow. And the Supreme sweatshirt should come in tomorrow as well. So I'll be making Life Cops on those tomorrow. Or not Life Cops, but unboxings. So yeah, this one's pretty cool. You guys can see it a little bit better right there. It's like a mouth right there, the eyes and nose. Pretty cool. I like it. Next we have this Palace Panda. It says Palace at the top. There's a panda right there. It says love your planet right there. Pretty cool. I like that. And then last but not least, we got the Palace CD sticker right here. I actually like this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be going for the shirt yet. I might. I'm just not too sure. It also says Palace like right there. You guys can see it right there. It says Palace. So yeah, that's pretty cool. What am I going to be doing with these stickers, you might be asking? Well, I think I'm going to keep them. Unless a friend wants them or something, then I'll sell them to him. But if not, I think I'll keep them. Like, I keep all my stickers, all my collectibles and shit. Or not collectibles, but just stickers that I get from like Supreme and Palace. So yeah, pretty cool stickers. I like them. I think the ones that dropped today are still sitting on Palace, but I think I'm just gonna wait for them to be on StockX and buy them for like $15 instead of paying $22. So yeah, we'll see if that happens, because on Grailed I can't apparently buy them for like $10 or like $12 or something like that. It just doesn't let me offer it. So it's whatever. If you guys did enjoy this unboxing, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Watch me fade every day in the morning. 2 a.m. yeah, I'm sipping and I'm zoning. Watch me move, watch me sway, watch me dip out. In a room full of girls I'm trying to dig out.